Hi, everyone, and welcome to the World Doc Alan Podcast. I'm excited to welcome to the program World Doc Alan Lindeman. Doc, what's going on, man? How are you?
We're doing really well here, Neil, and you?
Good, and our topic today is uterine infections as a cause of preterm birth. What are some infections which might cause preterm birth?
Well, one of the least common is Listeria, but it's very dangerous. And of course, today it's on tables with, deli. It's gotten into deli tables. And of course, we have the old ones, the ureaplasma, the mycoplasma. A lot of people don't think they're pathogens, but I think they are.
Can infections in the uterus cause infertility?
I think it can in two ways. You have the adhesions, which would be like endometriosis and prevention of the egg and sperm from traveling in the right way. But it also has to do with the hostility of the lining of the uterus. That is, it prevents implantation, kind of like an IUD would.
All right. What is the treatment for ureaplasma and mycoplasma?
Well, it depends on if the lady is pregnant, then we're looking at erythromycin. And if she's not pregnant, we're looking at doxycycline. And of course, I've always treated the husband, and I think that's the way that works. And husbands can always have doxycycline.
What can recurrent pregnancy loss be prevented? Recurrent pregnancy loss be prevented?
Yes, I'm supposed to say no to that, Neil, but I think it can be. I think, when I had a patient coming in with recurrent pregnancy loss, whether it's 15 weeks or 25 weeks, the first thing I did was to check for infections. So, and that worked really well. I had a big practice that way.
Can you tell us a story about a successful ureaplasma treatment for infertility?
Well, yes. Years ago, I had a couple, they were teaching English as a foreign language in China. And they said, you have 10 days to figure out why we're not getting pregnant. They'd had in vitro in several continents. So anyway, I checked for the ureaplasma and mycoplasma. She was positive. I treated them both. And then a couple months later, I got a phone call. She was pregnant. 7 months later, I got a phone call. She delivered a healthy term baby girl. So everything worked out very well in the simplest of worlds.
All right, so you can go to two places, worlddocalan.com and safepregnancy.com. Appreciate it, Doc.
Thanks, Neil.
All right, that was the World Doc Alan Podcast, guys. Take care.